Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 3 of our rewriting videos for this week. Today we are going to be building a sentence, so you'll need your jotter and your pencil ready to join in. Who can remember what sound we are focusing on this week? That's right, A. A. Now I have got one of our A words and I've got a sentence prepared already. Our A word that we are going to put into a sentence is train. 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 And our sentence is the train went up the track. Can you say that? Good job. Let's say it in a whisper voice. The train went up the track. Your turn. Let's say it really quickly. The train went up the track. Your turn. Fantastic. Right, let's see how many words are in this sentence. The train went up the track. 6 words, 1 sentence. What do we need at the start of our sentence, boys and girls? That's right, a capital letter. And what do we need at the end of our sentence? A full stop. Now, I would like you to pause this video and write your sentence down. The train went up the track. Write it down. Because we are now going to go over our sentence on the board. Right, have you got all your sentences written down? Let's check to see if we've got it correctly. The first word in our sentence was the. Now we need a capital letter at the start of our sentence. Can you remember what a capital T looks like? Down the tower, across the tower. The, red tricky word, we should know. T-H-A. The train, one of our words. Train. How many Fred fingers does this word have? 1, 2, 3, show me. That's right, 4. T-R-A-N. Train. Let's write it down. T-R-A-A. What 2 letters make up this A sound? A and E. And our sound on the end? N. Remember to underline that special friend. The train went with A N T. Finger space up. Up. The. We can use this to help us. T-H-A. The train went up the track. Track. Good job. T-R-A. Now, is this special friend that comes next, or is it a curly-K or kicking-K on its own? What do you think? I hope you were thinking it was both of them together. The special friend, K. Curly-K and kicking-K. Good job, that's a special friend too. And what do we need at the end of our sentence? A full stop. Good job. Let's check our sentence. The train went up the track. I've got a tick for my capital letter at the start. T-R-A-N. I've spelled the word train correctly. And I've got a tick for my full stop. Well done, boys and girls. You have written a sentence with the word train in it. correctly. Give yourself a micro clap. Okay. You can go on to do more sentences with different A words if you would like to. Remember to take a photograph of your finished work. Don't forget your day 3 of your Read Write Ink book as well. Get practicing those red tricky words, those speedy sounds, and those story green words to help you read with fluency and lots of expression. Well done, boys and girls, and I'll see you next week for more Read Write Ink videos. Have a nice day.